Ever get the eerie feeling your phone knows what you're thinking? You haven't searched for sourdough, yet a perfect loaf pops up in your feed. It feels like magic, but it's not. Behind the scenes, artificial intelligence is working to know you, sometimes better than you know yourself. These black mirrors in our pockets reflect a world tailored just for us, our humor, our crushes, our beliefs, our shopping habits. This isn't random, it's a seamless, real-time curation built by algorithms learning from everything you do. The goal? To capture your attention, because online, your attention is currency. The longer you stay, the more valuable you are to the platform. This AI isn't just watching, it's shaping your reality, nudging you toward what to watch, who to follow, even what to believe. If our window to the world is filtered by non-human intelligence, what does that mean for us? These systems are hidden behind code and corporate secrecy, but they're not unknowable. By pulling back the curtain, we can start to understand the mechanics behind our feeds. Understanding is the first step to taking back control. The magic mirror in your pocket doesn't have to show you only what you want. It can show you what you need if you know how it works. Let's see how the magic really happens. Social media wasn't always this way. In 2009, your feed was a simple, chronological list of posts from people you chose to follow. You saw what your friends shared, in the order they shared it. You were in control. But as platforms grew and you followed more accounts, the fire hose of information became overwhelming. People couldn't keep up, and platforms worried users would leave. Enter the algorithm, a set of rules to sort the chaos and show you the good stuff first. At first it was basic, showing posts from friends you interacted with most, or those with lots of likes. But then came machine learning and AI. Instead of following rules, the system learned from your behavior, finding patterns no human could spot. The feed became a personalized, predictive stream, guessing what you'd want before you knew it. The goal shifted. Not just to show you what happened, but to keep you engaged. Social media became less about connection, more about persuasion. The platform became your invisible editor, shaping your digital world. Most of us barely noticed the change, but the way we experience reality online was fundamentally transformed. Now, let's see how the system learns about you. How does the AI know you so well? Simple, you tell it, through every action you take. Every scroll, pause, like, share, or comment is a data point. Even your hesitation, lingering on a post before moving on, is a signal. This constant stream of micro-actions fuels the AI, building a detailed portrait of who you are. Platforms don't just track what you do inside the app. They follow you across the web, using cookies and pixels to see what you read, shop for, and sign up for. They may even buy data about your income, location, and offline habits. All this information creates a highly detailed user profile. You become a collection of data points, a node in a vast network. The goal? Personalization. The platform isn't building one perfect feed for everyone, it's building one just for you. The AI predicts what will make you happy, angry, laugh, or stay. It constantly experiments, showing you different content to see how you react. This cycle of data collection and prediction happens in milliseconds every time you scroll. You're not just using the platform, you're training it. Next, let's see how your reality is constructed. With all this data, the platform's ranking algorithm sorts millions of posts to pick the few you'll see. It scores each post based on how likely you are to engage, using thousands of signals about the post, the creator, and you. Deep learning models find patterns invisible to humans, learning your habits and preferences through observation. The result? A ranked, engineered feed designed to maximize your engagement, a reality constructed just for you. Social media AI isn't one giant brain, it's an orchestra of specialized systems working together. The conductor is the recommendation engine, analyzing your data and ranking content. It relies on other AIs, natural language processing, NLP, to understand text and computer vision to analyze images and videos. NLP tags topics and sentiment, helping the engine know what's happy, sad, or controversial. Computer vision identifies objects, faces, and even the mood of a photo. These systems feed data to the recommendation engine, which weaves it all into your personalized stream. Each musician in this orchestra shapes your digital experience. The result? A feed that feels intuitive, but is the product of complex, coordinated AI. Now let's look closer at the recommendation engine itself. The recommendation engine is the heart of social media, deciding what you see every second. First, it narrows down millions of posts to a short list using methods like collaborative filtering, matching you with users who have similar tastes. It also uses content-based filtering, analyzing what you've liked to find similar posts. Then comes ranking. Deep learning models score each candidate post based on your behavior, the post's features, and your relationship with the creator. The top-scoring posts are delivered to your feed. This process, from candidate generation to ranking, happens in the blink of an eye. Every refresh is a new prediction, tailored just for you. But this power comes with consequences. Personalization has a dark side. Echo chambers and filter bubbles. The algorithm shows you what you like, filtering out content that challenges your beliefs. Over time, your reality warps. Everyone seems to agree with you. Dissent vanishes. This deepens polarization and makes compromise harder. Privacy erodes as platforms collect more data, your location, habits, even your emotions. This data is valuable but also a vulnerability, exposed in breaches or sold to third parties. The biggest risk? Manipulation and misinformation. Algorithms promote sensational, emotionally charged content because outrage drives engagement. Malicious actors exploit this, spreading viral lies the AI can't always detect. The system amplifies the worst, not the truest. These platforms are engineered to be addictive. They use variable reward schedules like slot machines to keep you scrolling, never knowing when the next dopamine hit will come. Infinite scroll and autoplay remove stopping points, making it hard to put your phone down. The design isn't for your well-being, it's to maximize your time on the app. The result? Anxiety, FOMO, lost sleep, and strained relationships. The AI doesn't care about your happiness, just your next click. It's a machine optimized for attention, not your health. Recognizing this is the first step to breaking the cycle. But where does the feed go from here? Social media AI is evolving toward deeper personalization and new realities. Soon your feed could be overlaid on the real world with AR or fully immersive in VR. AI will read your gestures, voice, even biometrics for even more intimate curation. But there's growing demand for transparency and control. Platforms are experimenting with letting you see why posts are recommended, or letting you adjust the algorithm. Regulators are pushing for more openness and user rights. The era of the black box algorithm may be ending. The future will balance deeper personalization with user empowerment. We live in a world where algorithms shape our information diet, optimizing for attention, not our well-being. But understanding how these systems work is an act of rebellion. Awareness lets you question your feed, recognize manipulation, and make conscious choices. Knowledge empowers you to seek out new perspectives and break out of filter bubbles. You can control your data, adjust your settings, and demand more transparency. These AIs are just tools, powerful but not sentient. The real question is, what should they optimize for? By understanding the system, you can join the conversation about its future, and please subscribe to AI Tech Think. The magic mirror in your pocket reflects not just you, but the code behind your reality. Choose to see both, and take back control.